परमाम् आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणापुस्तकधारिणीमभयतां जाड्यान्धकारापहां हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्। एर्लिंगी number
6467.
6467. 6467. अनुवृत्ति
80. अच्छी है।
आतः धूमस्ता लक्ष्मीते
धूमस्थागापाजहाति सां नीति
आतः अंगस्य
आर्धधातुके he does not take. Even without this we can it is enough. So yeah. Bhu Anmaya. In Kiti, Kiti and Niti is there.
Yeah.
We need only Kiti. Niti is not needed. The Niti part we don't need. Only Kiti part is enough. Because in Ling, only Kit is there. Kiti. The Niti, we retain only Kiti. Ghumastha Gapajahati Sam अंगानां
पदार्थके
अन्त्यस्य स्थाने एः आदेशः आर्धधातुके किति clear. Ghumastha gapajahati sam angana. These angas. This means ghu. Ghu is a sanya. We will see shortly what later on it will come. Dada ghvada. There is a sutra. Dada ghvada. You can find the sutra in Ashtadhyaya. What is the number? Dada ghvada. That is a sutra which gives a khu sanya. Da and the tha These dhatus are
1110.
called 1110.
20, 1120, sir. 1120.
These dhatus, da and dha, these dhatus are called ghu. Ghu is a name referring to these dhatus. All these dhatus which have the form da and dha, not just two dhatus, there are more than two. All look da and dha, or at least they can be reduced into da and dha. They are called ghu. Da, da, gada. You will see the sutra, then it will become clearer. Ghu is a sanya and it refers to some dhatus. So, ghu dhatus means ghu sanjaka dhatus. Ghu sanjaka dhatavaha. Ma stha ga pa jahati sam. Ma is another dhatu. Stha is another dhatu. What is stha dhatu? Stha. So, ga dhatu. Yeah, gai it is gai. Yeah. And pa pani. And jahati. Jahati is ohak tyage dhatu plus shtip nirdesha. So ohak tyagi and jahati sam is there. Sam is sho antakarmani dhatu. Sho antakarmani. Sho is antakarmani. Sho has the meaning of to end. Avasana is derived from sho dhatu. So these dhatus, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are mentioned, not just 7. There are more than 7. So these dhatus, their final letter, which is akara, it will be replaced by ekara, a, when ardhadhatuke kiti lingi, when ardhadhatuka kit ling follows. Erlingi. So, see the book. Erlingi.
Erlingi.
Khusanjakanam.
Khusanjakanam.
Masthadinancha.
Masthadinancha.
Etvam syat.
Etvam syat.
Ardhadhatuke kitilingi.
Ardhadhatuke kitilingi.
घुसंज्ञकानाम धातूनाम अंगानाम घुसंज्ञक धातुस and masthadinancha masthagapa jahati sam. He does not say all of them, he just says masthadinam. See, which is masthadi you cannot know if you read Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi. That is why it has to be taught. Someone has to teach initially. So there are people, okay, I will read Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi. It won't make sense at all. Etvam syat. So they will get etva, means ekara adesha. Ardhadhatuke kiti lingi. When ardhadhatuka kit ling follows. So, pa dhatu ashir ling. pa plus ling, and this ling is in the sense of ashihi, ashishi. Yeah. So pa plus tip, only takara will remain. So now lingashishi iti, this pratyaya is ardha dhatuka. Lingashishi, this is ardha dhatuka. Okay, ardha dhatuka by lingashishi. Ashishi ling ardha dhatuka sanyam bhavati. Ardha dhatuka sanyaha bhavati. So ling means ling adesha. Ashishi lingadeshaha ardha dhatuka sanyaha bhavati. Now yasut parasmai padeshu dato ngicca. So pa plus yas plus takara. Yasut agama. Then it is kit. In Ashirling, the Yasut is kit. What is the sutra? Kidashishi. Kidashishi. This whole thing is kit. So when Yasut agama happens, the whole thing is kit. The pratyaya plus yasut, together it is kit. So this is ardha dhatuka and kit. Yeah. Yasut plus takara, it is ardha dhatuka as well as kit. Now we can apply this sutra. Yeah, erlingi. Pa becomes pe. Peyas plus takara. Then this is sanyoga. Skos sanyogadyoho ante cha iti sakarasya lopaha. Finally, peyat. Peyat. Vivachana etc. are simple. Peyat, peyastam, peyasuhu. No problem. Here there is no problem. In lung we have to see another sutra. Yeah. Peyat, peyastam, peyasuhu. Peyaha, peyastam, peyasta. Peyasam, peyasva, peyasma. Ashirling is over. Then lung lakara, we have to see another sutra. In fact, we should have seen this sutra long back. Even when we did ling of bhudhatu, not ling, lung of bhudhatu, we should have seen. But we have done it without seeing this sutra. Because it was too early to introduce many sutras. That is why Varadaraja kept quiet there. Because sometimes if something is told, it can pass. Varadaraja uses this technique in most of the cases. There may be some other sutras, but even without telling, people won't ask doubt, because only when that doubt comes. So anyway, but it will be dealt with in Siddhanta Kaumudi. It will be dealt with in a different way. So many things will be dealt in a deeper way. So Siddhanta Kaumudikara introduced this sutra right in Bhodhat. But in Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi, he kept quiet there. So, anyway, why this has to be introduced in Bhodhatu, I will tell now. See, Ataha. Yeah. 34110. Okay. Yeah. Jeh. Jus. Dhatoho. Lingaha. Lingaha. Pratyayaha. Parascha. Yeah, all those things are there. We will keep this quiet for a while. So many things will complicate. Sichaha. Sichaha. Yeah. The lingaha is also not needed. Without lingaha also fine. So, yeah. Ataha is panchami ekavachanam. Sichaha is also panchami. Jehe shashti ekavachanam. Ataha parasya. Ataha dhatoho. Ataha qualifies dhatoho. Then tadanta vidhi. At antad dhatoho. At antad dhatoho. Parasya. See, how do you get this parasya? Huh? No. Ataha is panchami. How do you get parasya? How do you know panchami refers to para? Long back. Tasmadityuttarasya. There is a sutra. Tasmadityuttarasya. What does Varadaraja say on that? Panchami nirdishtam karyam varnantarena avyavahitasya uttarasya bodhyam. See, tasmadityuttarasya in Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi you see. Where is tasmadityuttarasya? Where is it? See, that is why all those things have to be memorized. Then only it will work. Tasmadityuttarasya 24. Yeah. Yeah, that is what I want you to remember. See, so panchami nirdishtam karyam. If something is referred to, if something is enjoined by using a panchami vibhakti, then it has to be understood as happening on something which is varnantarena avyavahita. which follows and which is varnantarena avyavahita, which follows the one which is mentioned in Panchami, and it should be immediately following Panchami. Avyavahita. So, yeah. From that we get parasya. So here parasya should be avyavahitasya parasya. Varnantarena avyavahitasya parasya. Yeah. Adantad dhatoho parasya. This is one point. Then also sichaha has Panchami. Then sichaha parasya. Sichaha parasya. This is Panchami. Sichaha parasya. See, now you get two parasya. That means it should be following adanta dhatu immediately, and it should also be following sich also immediately. How is it possible? If it is following adanta dhatu, it cannot follow sich. If it is follow sich, it cannot immediately follow adanta dhatu. So it is a contradictory statement. So it should follow adanta dhatu also, and it should follow sich also. How is it possible? Both conditions should be satisfied. Then the other acharyas like Katyayana and all, they have figured it out. How it is possible? It is possible when sich look has happened. Sich look has happened. Suppose there is adanta dhatu, let us say pa. Pa plus sich has gone out. Sich look has happened. Okay. Look. Sometimes there is sich look, like in bhudhatu. Gatistha ghupa bhubhyaha sichaf parasmai padeshu. Sich look. Then there can be a jhi. Jhi. Now see, pratyaya lope pratyaya lakshana. Even though sich is gone, the works for other sutras, sich is as good as there. When an operation is enjoined, when any other karya is enjoined, sich is as good as there. Therefore, sichaha parasya, jhi is sichaha parasya from one standpoint. And it is adantat parasya also, because sich is not visible. As far as visibility is concerned, it is adantat parasya. And it is also sichaha parasya, technically speaking. Therefore, both conditions are fulfilled when sich look happens. That is why okay, yeah. Sichaha parasya. That's why you will find sich look in the sutra, in the meaning. So sichaha parasya jhehe sthane jus adeshaha. Yeah. So adanta dhatoho parasya sichaha parasya means sich lukaha parasya. That is how it should be understood. Jhehe sthane jus. In the place of jhi, jus adesha happens. See the book. Ataha. Sijluki. Adantadeva Jerjus. Okay, this to understand this you need more explanation. So now, okay, now this is clear. The Anvaya is done. After Akaranta Dhatu, if sich look has happened, then in the place of G you should get Jus. Now see, let us consider Pa. Pa plus G. Pa plus G. Okay, we'll go back to. So we'll start from Tip. Pa plus Tip. It is Lung. Pa plus Lung. In the place of Lung, Tip. Pa plus Tip. Then Itascha iti Ikarasya Lopaha. Then Chili Lungi and Chilehe Sich. We get Sich. Pa plus Sich plus, I'll write it Sich. Sich plus Takara. Now we have the sutra. Gatistha ghupa bhubhyaha sichaha parasmai padeshu. We have seen it in Bhudhatu. Gatistha ghupa bhubhyaha sichaha parasmai padeshu. Gati stha ghu pa bhubhyaha sichaha parasmai padeshu. So pa is also there. Pa pani dhatu is also mentioned in the sutra. Therefore, after pa dhatu, sich gets luk. Sichaha luk bhavati. Therefore, pa t. Then lung lang lring shvadudattaha iti at agamaha. Apat. Apat. This is Ekavachanam. Apat. Then tas is simple. Apatam. Thus, in the place of tas, you get tam. So, apatam, similar. Apat, apatam. Then, G. Pa plus G. Then, pa plus sich plus G. Then Gatistha ghupa bhubhyaha sichah parasmai padeshu iti sichaha luk. Pa plus G. Yeah. Now in the place of G, what will happen? See, we have another sutra also for making the G into Jus. What is that? Sijabhyasta vidibhyascha. Can Sijabhyasta vidibhyascha work here? Sich. Then sich look has happened. Sich look. But pratyaya lope pratyaya lakshanam. Sijabhyasta vidibhyascha also can work. because pratyaya lope pratyaya lakshanam. I think we have seen the sutra. Yeah. Pratyaya lope pratyaya lakshanam na lumata angasya. Both we have seen. Now, luk is a lumat lopa. Luk is a lumat lopa. If it is a lumat lopa, luk, shlu and lup, then pratyaya lope pratyaya, then what happens? Na lumata angasya. If it is a lumat lopa, then angakarya will not happen. What is angakarya? What is angakarya? If it is mentioned under the angasya section, if any vidhi is mentioned under angasya section, where is angasya? 641 up to end of 7th chapter. If it is angakarya, it won't happen. Na lumata angasya. But if it is not an angakarya, then even for luk, shlu and lup, pratyaya lope pratyaya lakshanam holds good. I hope you follow what I am saying. Yeah, please listen once again. So if it is not an angakarya, na lumat, pratyaya lope pratyaya lakshanam holds good even for luk, shlu and lup. Let me clarify this once again. See, pratyaya lope pratyaya lakshanam. This is a sutra. According to this, Panini says, even if the pratyaya is gone, lopa has happened, it has disappeared, yet any injunction referring to the pratyaya will happen. Pratyaya lakshana means pratyaya ashritam karyam bhavati. Sich is a pratyaya. So, sijabhyasta vidibhyascha. Based on sich, jus is supposed to happen because of pratyaya lope pratyaya lakshana. Even if sich has disappeared. That is pratyaya lope pratyaya lakshana. Then there is another exception to pratyaya lope pratyaya lakshana. What? Na lumata angasya iti. Na lumata angasya. Lumata means lumat lopa. Any lopa which has lu in its name is called lumat lopa. What are they? Luk, shlu and lup. Certain lopas are called by these names. Luk, shlu and lup. If it is any of these three lopas, luk, shlu or lup, then angakarya will not happen based on that pratyaya, which has got these lopas. If the lopa is a lumat lopa, then angakarya cannot happen based on that pratyaya. But that is mentioned only for angakarya, na lumata angasya. If it is not an angakarya, then pratyaya lope pratyaya lakshanam holds good even for lumat lopas. All lopas including lumat lopas. Including luk, shlu and lup. Now this sijabhyasta vidibhyascha Is it an Anga Karya?
It's not Angakarya.
It is not an Anga Karya. Because Sijabhyasta Vidibhyascha does not have Angasya. It is not an Anga Karya. Therefore, Pratyaya Lope Pratyaya Lakshanam holds good, even though it is a Luk Lopa. Understood? Yeah. So, now Sijabhyasta Vidibhyascha is possible, even though such Luk has happened. I will write it more properly. Pa plus G, then Chleh Sich. Sich. I am not writing all the sutras, you know them. Pa plus Sich plus G. Now Gatisthaghupabhubhyaha. Look, Pa plus Sich is look. Sich is gone with the look lopa plus G. Now, Pratyaya Lope Pratyaya Lakshanam is there. Pratyaya Lope Pratyaya Lakshanam. And based on that, Sijabhyasta Vidibhyascha can work here. It can work here. If Sijabhyasta Vidibhyascha itself can bring about Jus Adesha, then what does this sutra do? Sijabhyasta Vidibhyascha itself can bring Jus Adesha. Then what is the purpose of this sutra? Ataha. It is redundant. Ataha is a redundant sutra. Yeah. Because it is Siddhe Sati Arambhaha. Already Jus is Prapta by other sutra. Then Ataha is told. That means it is Siddhe Sati Arambhaha. Siddhe Sati Arambhaha Niyamarthaha. If something is told when it is already Siddha, means already Prapta, then it is meant for restriction. Niyama Sutra. So, how is Niyama? If Jus has to come in the place of G, when there is a Sich look, then it should come only after Akaranta Dhatu. That is the Niyama. Sich Luki. If Jus has to come after Sich look, then it should come only after Akaranta. If this sutra was not there, after any Sich look, Jus would have come. But Panini doesn't want that to happen. Panini wants to restrict the scope of Jus when there is Sich look only to Akaranta Dhatu. So that is why it is a Niyama Sutra. Ataha is a Niyama Sutra. See, Yeah, ataha. Yeah. See, before that, gatistheti sicho luk. Yeah, this is for pratham ekavachanam. Even here it is happening. So, in after padhatu, sich look happens by gatistha ghupa bhubhyaha. Apat apatam. Yeah. Then ataha. Sijluki. Adanta deva jherjus. Yeah. That eva. Adantat eva. When you say eva, it is niyama. It is restricting. Sijluki. After sijluk, if jeh jus has to happen, it will happen only after akaranta dhatu. But the sijluk happens after many other dhatus. Gati is akaranta, stha is akaranta, ghu are also akaranta, pa is also akaranta, but bhu is not akaranta. Yeah. See, now let's go to, first let us finish this. Then we will see the application of this sutra in bhu. So, sijabhyasta vidibhyascha iti jeh jus is prapta. But then there is ataha. So, ataha allows. Ataha is another narrower filter. So, which is attached after sijabhyasta vidibhyascha. And ataha allows jus even for pa. So, ataha jeh jus. Pa plus jus. Yeah. Now we need one more sutra. Jus is us. Pa plus us. Now what will happen here? We have a sutra. Usi apadantat. It is a sandhi sutra. Usi is saptami ekavachanam. Apadantat is panchami ekavachanam. Number 6196. Yeah. Pararupam. Achi. No, achi is not needed. Usi is already there. Yeah. Samhitayam. Ekaf purvaparayoho. At. From ad gunaha, at is coming. Here at is not taparakarana, it is panchami vibhakti. Yeah. At means avarnantat, after avarna. At usi pare. When avarna is followed by us is this us, then purvaparayoha sthane pararupam ekaha adeshaha samhitayam. Yeah, samhitayam. At usi pare. When avarna is followed by us, then purvaparayoha sthane, in the place of the preceding as well as the following letter. Purvaparayoho varnayoho sthane. Pararupam ekadeshaha. Pararupa is Ekadesha. Pararupa is Ukara. Ukara is Ekadesha. And okay, Apadantat is there. Yeah. Apadantat usi par. Apadantat will come here. Apadantat, not apadantat. Apadantat akaat. Apadantat akarat. The akara, the avarna should not be at padanta. It is apadanta akara. If it is a padanta akara, it will not happen. No, us can be any other us also. Suppose there is a pada ending with a, and another us is appearing there. So apadantat akarat usi pare पूर्वपरयोः स्थाने पररूपम् एकः आदेशः भवति. उस्यपदान्तात् अपदान्तात् अकारात् उसी पररूपम् एकादेशः अपदान्तात् अकारात्. After apadanta akara, here akara should be understood as a varna. Generally, we have a convention. When we say akara, we are referring to only short a. When we say a varna, it includes all etc. But kara refers to only that particular letter variant. But here Varadaraja has used akara in the sense of a varna. We should make a note about it. Apadantat akarat. You can write in bracket avarnat. Usi pare, when we us follows, then pararupam ekadeshaha. Pararupa ekadesha happens. So, apa plus us. Usyapadantat. So, pararupa ekadesha apus. Then rutva visargau apuhu. Apat, apatam, apuhu. The rest are simple. Apaha, apatam, apata, apam, apava, apama. Apama somam amrita abhuma. Apama somam amrita abhuma. No correct. We are on record. Apama somam amrita abhuma. So the devatas are saying this. We drank soma. Apama somam amrita abhuma. Then we became immortal devatas. So drinking soma means doing somayaga, performing somayaga like jyotishtoma, etc. So soma is not alcohol, it is different. Surapanam, sura is different. This is soma. Soma is a juice from a creeper, extracted from a creeper. It is offered, it is extracted in somayaga. There is a ritual, Vedic ritual called somayaga. So then you extract the juice and it is offered, and then a part of it is drunk. Somapana is a part of the ritual. Yeah. So now let's go to Bhudhatu. See, Bhu plus G. I am talking about Lung Lakara. So now Bhu plus Sich plus G. Then Sich Luk. Gatistha Ghupha Bhubhyaha Sichaha Luk. Bhu plus G. Sich Luk has happened. Now see. Sijabhyasta vidibhyascha is possible here. Sijabhyasta vidibhyascha is possible. Because sich look pratyay lope pratyay lakshanam. Sijabhyasta vidibhyascha. So jus was supposed to come. If ataha was not there, if ataha was not there, in jus would have come. Then we would have got the form abhu plus us. Yeah. Abhu plus us and abhu vuhu it would have become. But what is the form? Lung form. Prathama Purusha Bahuvachanam. Prathama Purusha I am asking. Abhuvan is the form. So then Ataha filter does not allow Bhudhatu. Because it is not Akaranta. It is Ukaranta. So Sijluki Adanta Deva Cherjus Bhavati Bhudhatuhu na Akarantaha Tasmad Bhudhatoho Jehejus na Bhavati. Then we have to go to the Utsarga. Jhontaha. That will work. So Jhontaha. That is Utsarga. Jhontaha. In the place of Jhakara, Anta is Adesha. So Bhu plus Anti. The E is gone. Then Sanyogantasya Lopaha. Bhu plus An. Sorry, that will happen later. Bhu plus Ant. So Itascha Ikara Lopa. Then this Ant will come. Jakarasya sthane Ant Adeshaha. Then Bhuvo Vug Lung Litoho. Bhu V plus Ant. So now you can look back there, what we have done there. Yeah. Then Sanyogantasya Lopaha. Then Attagama. Abhuvan. Yeah. abhuvan. So there ataha is supposed to be there. So now you can go back and make a note there under bhu dhatu. Apuhu. No. Then lring lakara is simple. Apasyat. Yeah, apasyat, apasyatam, apasyan ityadi. So padhatu is done. Now next one is glai harshak shaye. Glai is harshak shaya, loss of pleasure, means feeling sad. Glayati, feels sad. Glayati, jaglau ityadi. Glani. Yeah. Fading also is glani. So, yeah. So, see the swara. What is the swara for glai?
Like padhatu.
Yeah.
Anudatta, udatte.
Anudatta. So, anudatta dhatu. Udatet is not relevant here. Anudatta. It is an anudatta dhatu. So we have to see the sutra. Adecha upadesheshiti. We'll see in the next class. Nrittavasane nataraja rajo nanadadhakkam navapanchavaram uddhartu kamassanakadi siddhan etadvimarshe shiva sutrajalam.